Welcome to the United Nations Library and Archives, Geneva. In this tutorial, we will show you how to find and explore journals in Global Search. Global Search is the online catalog of the United Nations Library, Geneva. It allows you to search for millions of books, journals, articles, and many more resources available in the library's collections. Global Search contains a vast amount of academic, peer-reviewed, and specialized journals on a wide range of topics, from economics to international law, social questions, technology, and politics, to name just a few. It also presents newspapers and magazines, which offer daily or weekly coverage of world and regional news, as well as opinions and analysis on various subjects. Let's see how to find this content in Global Search. To find a specific journal, the easiest way is to conduct a search by title in the main search bar of Global Search. For example, let's look for the Journal of Refugee Studies. Type in the title of the journal and hit Enter. A list of results will be displayed, and the journal we are looking for is the first result in the list. Now click on the title of the journal. A new window will appear with different options, including a full description of the journal. We can see that the Journal of Refugee Studies is available in the library print collection and an electronic version. Let's imagine that you are specifically looking for Volume 2, Number 4, and would like to borrow it. First, make sure that you are signed in with your account. If you don't have one, fill in the Request a User Account form, which is available on the homepage of Global Search. Then, go to the Request section on the journal result page and click on the filter icon, which is located to the right side of the list of items. Click on the Volume Filter option in the gray bar and select Volume 2, Number 4. You can now click on Request Loan to order this issue. A new window is displayed. Simply click on the Send Request button to submit your loan request. Our librarians will process your loan request, and you will get an email notification confirming that the volume is available for pickup or on-site consultation. To view the online version of Journal of Refugee Studies, you can click on the link Available Online, which is displayed in green at the top of the journal page in Global Search. You will be automatically directed to the online section, in which you will see the online databases, which contain the full text version, together with the information about the volumes or years which are available in full text. Many journals in Global Search are marked as being available in open access, which means without limitation or a need to sign in. This is not the case for this journal, which is available through the library's electronic subscriptions and can be accessed when the user is on site, either at the library or in a public area of the UN Geneva office with a device connected through the office public Wi-Fi. Sometimes you might be prompted to connect with a UN email. This is an option available only to UN staff. If you are on site, you can click on the Hein Online Law Journal Library link. You will then be redirected to the journal page in Hein Online and will be able to open any of the volumes containing articles in full text. You can then download the article which interests you. There's another great feature available for journals. If you would like to search for articles on refugee camps published in the same journal, go to the Search Inside section above and type in your keywords in the small search bar and hit Enter. A few seconds after, you'll get a list of articles that contain the topic you searched for in a new window. Quick links to download the article in PDF format will appear under each article with a blue link named Download PDF. Global Search allows you to explore our collection of journals even further. Let's go back to the main list of results in which we found the Journal of Refugee Studies. Below the journal title, an additional option appears in blue which is named View Journal Contents. This service gives us a direct link to the table of contents of our journal's collection. In other cases, it can provide us with a table of contents of issues. The link will then be named View Issue Contents. To be able to view these table of contents, on your first use, you will need to be on site in order to obtain a cookie, which will then be used to provide you access from off-site. Let's see how this works. First, we click on the View Journal Contents link, which brings us to the Browsing webpage that presents the table of contents of this journal's latest volume. You can easily navigate to previous volumes from the left side panel. In addition, you can click on the PDF icon displayed under the article to open and download the article. To discover journals by discipline, you can use the Journals list, which is available from the main menu of Global Search at the top of the page. Click on Journals and you will see a new search page. Navigate to the left side panel named Journals by Category. From there, you can select a main discipline and view its sub-entries. Let's see what we find under Engineering and Applied Sciences by clicking on the small arrow on the left side. If you click on the sub-entry, Computer Science, a list of relevant journals on that subject area will be displayed in the list on the right side. Simply select a journal to view its online content. And that's it. Now you know how to find and explore journals and global search.